It's a 2018 Mini Hardtop 4-door. Don't confuse premium with pretentious. The high-end parts and performance treat you well, and the world-famous handling keeps you grounded. Plus, there's room to bring 4 friends along for the ride. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, rear parking sensors, Bluetooth, leather steering wheel, manual transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. AutoWeek reports it retains the kart-like steering that's made the Mini name famous, and it's just a little bit nervous at high speeds on the expressway, which we liked. Mini, let's motor. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Contact IJim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.